Vakratunda Mahakaya Koti Surya Samaprabha Nirvignam Kurme Devo Sarva Kayeshu Sarvada. Hi, and welcome to the Sound of Truth page. It's Julie Renee. In India, I'm known as Vedamataji, and that means the highest truth, mother of the highest truth. And I am so excited to be sharing with you the Vedic mantras that I learned while I was living in India. And they're especially precious mantras. They're going to help you change your life, your vibration, cure your illnesses, bring in more wealth, more love, more success. So please join me in the sound of truth and let's resonate at that higher vibratory level. By the way, the reason that the Vedic mantras are so powerful and that we use them during class is because they resonate at truth. So they resonate 100% matching truth, where the English language resonates at about 13% truth. So it's a descriptive language. So when we're speaking, our words don't resonate as truth. Sanskrit does. Sanskrit is actually the what the thing we're singing about. It actually is what the frequency and vibration is of that thing. So that's why it's so powerful. Please join me in the Sound of Truth. You'll be getting all of the home study programs, 16 hours of recorded mantra that you'll be able to listen to all day long. The Indian people always tell me they've heard these mantras in the temples, but they've never heard them sung with such love and devotion. So please join me in the Sound of Truth, and let's teach you how to use your voice powerfully to really emanate the sound of truth for transformation in your life.